This sparkling harbour is the centrepiece of Sydney. It supports recreation, commercial shipping, commuter transport, and is a path to the sea for the water from the Sydney Basin catchment. It is the spectacular natural asset of the city and the finest harbour in the world. Connected to the Pacific Ocean, it is influenced by the ecology and tides of the seawater to the east and the stormwater runoff to the west. On its northern shore is SIMS, the Sydney Institute of Marine Science.
I'm Edwina, an oceanographer from the University of Sydney Institute of Marine Science. We're out here on the harbour today to collect water samples to verify a hydrodynamic model being run by Serena Lee and Gavin Birch. Together with the Information, Communications and Technology Group, we've negotiated the real-time inputs we need for this model with the Bureau of Meteorology. The ICT have also automated this model. We aim to study the inflow in the harbour during high rainfall events of nutrients and contaminants. These nutrients and contaminants run down the estuaries and flocculate out around the harbour bridge area.
ITC used modern project management techniques to deliver the heart of the Sydney Harbour Ocean Observatory.
So we're asking for a total of 54.
By making measurements in the harbour from a SIMS boat, we have been verifying the water properties calculated by the model. Not surprisingly, the model does not exactly predict the natural environment, and the verification program aims to identify where additional information needs to be provided by the observatory. 3G technology allows us to place sensors such as salinity meters almost anywhere and have the data sent in real time to the numerical model. The Sydney Institute of Marine Science draws together many researchers who are contributing to this program of harbour predictions. These harbour predictions, when completed, will provide automatic environmental monitoring, a tool for the public distribution of the status of the harbour. It will also support the ongoing research of the Sydney Harbour characteristics. The Harbour Observatory information is displayed in the lobby of SIMS. The observatory is able to display properties such as salinity in different colours. Red is high salinity, seen near the mouth of the harbour, and blue is fresh water entering the harbour from rivers and drains. One can see the salinity changing in this coloured map as the tide moves the harbour waters backwards and forwards. The display you see is running 10 times faster than the real situation. As we gain experience and measure more inputs, the observatory will, we hope, be a valuable asset in helping preserve the health of the harbour, despite the pressure of a rising population. The public with an interest in sailing will be able to see surface currents. Fishermen will be able to monitor the movement of pollutants, while swimmers will be able to look up the water temperature before going to the harbour shore and hopefully assess the risk from microbial pathogens. The status of the harbour is being displayed in the SIMS foyer for the public to see. In the future, it will be available over the internet.